These are some beautiful matted nails. See how I did them? Let's go. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to get some gel polish. You're going to get some gel polish color, whatever color you like. So today I was feeling like some pink and maybe some turquoise. I wanted something that's beautiful, you know, something that's going to say, here I am. All right, so let's get into it. So I'm using the D&D gel polishes, and I'm just using two colors. I'm using some kind of a pink and, like I said, some kind of a turquoise. And basically what I'm doing right now, I am just painting the nails. And once I'm finished painting the nails, I'm going to put it in the UV lamp. So the D&D gel polish, it's not my favorite, but it's usable. It's very pigmented and it's a nice gel polish. But I am not very friendly with gel polishes and it's not my favorite thing. But for this video, it was just on hand and I just decided to use it. Now these colors are very, very vibrant and these colors are beautiful, right? But the key to this is the Ohuhu matte gel polish. Now this gel polish, I did not purchase this separately. It came in my Ohuhu polygel kit, but this matte gel polish right here, it works wonders. All right, so if you want that nice Crayola, clean, smooth, you know, just that nice overall color, that matted color, this is what you need. All right, so it is gel, but it is a matted gel. Okay, it's called matte. So that's the key, and that's how you get these nails looking dry and smooth and just nice. All right, so once you polish that, you're going to put in the UV light, then it's going to be dried. Once it's dried, you'll see how nice it looks. You'll see that nice matteness come to the nail, and then you're all set. Now you can design. So what I'm doing right now, I just wanted to do something a little bit classy for her, not too much going on. I'm trying to tone it down. So I decided to use a pearl and some kind of embellishment that I had. So I wanted to go with like a real big pearl. I think this is possibly, don't want to lie, 5mm or 6mm pearl. All right. Could be wrong. Could be a 4mm, but I'm just kind of winging it. I'm thinking it's maybe a 5mm or 6. All right. So what I'm doing, I'm using the pearls on the sides and I'm going to put the embellishment in the middle. Now this embellishment in the middle was giving me a hard time. I don't know what was going on, but it just did not want to stay. All right, so now I'm actually just putting the pearls on the side and just making sure everything just come together, right? So as you can see what I'm doing, I'm just picking up these small little beads of pearls. These are flat back pearls. All right, so if you want these pearls to stay on your nails, you want to get flat back pearls. All right, and you can get like a mixed assorted order of them, or you could get, you know, 2mm, 1.5mm, just whatever you want. Okay, they come in different sizes, and for this one, like I said, I'm trying to make it a little bit more elegant and classy, so I'm just going in with a few rhinestones, right? Just like one teeny little one just to give it some kind of uniformity. All right, so once I do that, I'm thinking, hey, maybe I should put some pearls on here, make it a little bit pearly. So in this one, I just decided just to, you know, just make a scatter of pearls on this one, right? So what I'm doing, I'm actually just putting some dots on here from the gel glue. And once I create those dots, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place those flat back pearls on top of this nail to give it that nice dispersed look of pearls. All right, it's just like, you know, just classy. We're looking for that class, but at the same time happy. So it's like happy, classy nails. Okay, so what I'm actually doing right now, I'm actually just placing those pearls on there, and I'm actually just looking for the spots where the glue is, and I'm just placing them individually one by one. All right, now this rhinestone picker was really giving me a hard time. Like, it was kind of loose where the wax was, but that's for another video. for this video right here, we're working on these matte, beautiful, elegant, beautiful, clean, pretty nails. All right, so this is what it looks like. So I just put it on the finger so you can see. This is nice. It's not too long, it's not too short. It's definitely a statement piece for the summer or the spring or just for your birthday. All right, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, then just move on. All right, so thank you for watching. And don't forget, y'all, Bad Gal Jules Nails on YouTube. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.